Hi everyone, welcome. Uh, my this is my peep mode episode about Viera. Yeah, people. But let's activate. Let's activate my Relay Easy Quadpod Creator because it can move perfectly. And yes, you can see that my new uh, ring. Uh, Ring, how it's called? I don't know, people. I'm simply very glad that my new LED light Relay Loomis works perfectly. But let's start with the slogan and Bob Duranko. Learn English, be successful, change your life, open a lot of doors, create your own podcast, write your own novel. You don't need to be talented because learning English is for everyone. Okay, people, we can start. And here is here is. Here is my peep mode episode about Viera, and yes, you can see that this. Wait a minute. Here is my webcam. Okay, Peter, don't be shy. Yes, I haven't streamed and recorded for 1 week, for 5 days, for 5 days, but I can do this. Peter, you can do this. Yes, of course I can do this. And okay, people, Trump I'm hi everyone. I'm your host Peter, and welcome. In this is my Peter's English podcast, and this is my peep mode episode called Chapter One of Season 4 of my novel Viera the Vampire Diary, and the chapter is called Besties at the Door. Yes, people, I want to introduce you Chapter One of Season 4 of my novel Besties at the Door, and I want to introduce you to season 4 of my novel, The Other Empire Diary. Yes, people, the last Saturday you could watch me that I when I was reading you and acting chapter 20 of season 3 of my novel, The Other Empire Diary, and I decided that it's the right time to start season 4. And what is it about? The season 4 is called Love and Friendship. Yes, of course, people. I decided that this new season has to be about real love between Vera and Peter, and it has to be about Viera's and Peter's friends, because Viera and Peter didn't have any friends until now. And I decided that this season, Love and Friendship has to be about the real love between Viera and Peter. It has to be about real friendship between Viera and her friends, and Peter and his friends. And but Peter, just shut up, because this is not my Peter Sunday 1 hour ramble episode. I'm glad to see you, and I'm doing to read you my story, because this is my story, chapter 1 of season 4. And I'm going to read you in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, people, can you see me? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Yes, we are online. You can see me. You can hear me. Okay, let's start. Chapter 1 of season 4, Besties at the Door. Vera's diary entry. Monday, 10 a.m. Central European Time, Bennett Pub, London. Hi Peter, welcome to work. How are you today? Simona asked. As Peter arrived, noticeably, we found Viera, who was still in the bathroom taking her time getting ready. Veronika immediately jumped in. Come on, Simonka, don't dance around it. We want to know how things are going with Viera. Last time you two were in the bathroom for ages having your gentle romantic revolution. Peter went red like a tomato and stepped. Oh, brilliant. So you were listening in, were you? Are you ashamed of yourselves? Spying and gossiping behind our backs? The girls were about to quietly return to work when Viera finally appeared, fully made up and cheerful. Oh, come on, sweetheart, don't be so harsh on your colleagues. They were only trying to help. Peter, still annoyed, raised his voice. That that getting ready routine of yours takes forever. You even come to work looking like you're walking a fashion ran away. Vera suddenly appeared right next to him, wrapped her arms around him, and gave him a long, affectionate kiss. Slow, sweet, and dramatic, before turning to the others with a playful flourish. So what? Be happy. I want to Nice for you, sweetheart. Elena and Anastasia walked in at that moment. Did we miss something? Elena asked. Vera laughed. Absolutely. You miss your goddess demonstrating her excellent kissing skills. Peter groaned. Oh, please. You're impossible. You've covered me in lips gloss again. Honestly, I should get you a bib and a let. Thomas Bennett arrived next, already stressed. Why are you all standing here like it's a wedding? Get to work. Customers are waiting for beer. It's boiling hot outside, girls. Good choice of outfits of outfits today. Viera, Anastasia, Elena behind the bar. Smile at the customers. Look friendly. Peter, Simona, Veronika, kitchen. People want lunch. The Polish girl quit this morning. I'll supervise the vampire ladies. Three pretty girls behind the bar. They need security. Peter protested. Why you? Why not me? Thomas smirked. Because I'm the boss. And because I enjoy working with the ladies. One more silly question and you'll get a warning. Peter wisely stayed quiet. Peter stayed in the kitchen with both girls. Simona and Veronika boldly asked again, So, Peter, come on, we're curious. How are things going with Viera? Peter, already annoyed, raised his voice. Do you really need to know everything about us? Why do you want to know so badly? The girls exchanged a mischievous look, giggled, and replied, Peter, you don't notice anything. We helped you make that little show for Viera because we want to be your group. We feel lonely here. No boyfriends, no friends. We both like you. We hope you like us too. Peter suddenly softened. Girls, thank you. Apart from Viera, I don't trust anyone. I don't have a group. I'll take your word for it. From now on, we're friends for life. Viera showed me her feelings thanks to you. Both girls gave him friendly kisses on the cheek and said it was nothing. We were happy to help. Viera kept shouting at you all the time. It must have been hard. What about practicing English after work? No textbooks. We promise. Thomas suddenly walked into the kitchen. Those three troublemakers kicked me out of my own bar. What are you lot talking about? The girls proudly announced. Peter made a friendship group with us because he finally trusts us. Thomas replied sadly, I don't have anyone except my mom and my girlfriend Elena. Looks like your group is full. Thomas quietly started helping in the kitchen, but Peter spoke up, Boss, welcome to our team of humans. We're taking you as a friend. What do you say, girls? Simona and Veronika answered, Boss, we like you too. Welcome to the club. Great idea, Peter. Each of us gets one guy in the group. First question for the boss. How are things with Elena? Thomas went bright red. Elena is gentle, kind, and very affectionate. Peter groaned. You could spare us the details. Simona added. No secrets in our group, Peter. I'll go first. I miss a I miss I miss having a boyfriend. Veronika, your turn. Veronika noted. I miss having a boyfriend too. Peter replied. All right, team. Vera cares about me a lot. She's very warm and affectionate, and she trusts me enough to share her vampire side with me. I love that. Peter's group stared at him with their mouths open. Thomas said, Lucky you! Elena is very shy. She's scared she might hurt me. Anyway, team, people are still waiting for food. Back to work. This group got to work. Viera, Elena, and Anastasia were behind the bar, pouring drinks for customers. The pub was full of men, all of whom couldn't help glancing at the three striking vampire women. Listening to the conversation from the kitchen, thanks to her supernatural senses, Viera suddenly knelt in front of Elena and Anastasia to show respect and gratitude for helping her repair her relationship with Peter. She began, I just heard that my sweetheart has formed his first proper group of friends in his life. I'm glad he feels happy with me. As a thank you, I'm releasing you both from the old obligation to marry within the aristocracy or treat me like a goddess. Thank you for helping me save my relationship with Peter. I'm grateful to you forever. From now on, Anastasia and Elena, you're my group, my team. No secrets between us. In the dark organization, you'll get whatever share of influence you want. I hope you agree. I feel so lonely sometimes. Apart from Peter, I have no one. Please, will you be in my group? Elena and Anastasia were shocked and began to stutter. Viera, goddess of the dark organization, such an honor. Thank you for your trust. It's a great privilege to form a group with you. Viera burst out laughing. Girls, enough! Too much drama for me. We're one team now. Each of us must share a secret right here, right now. I'll start. I'll tell you something no one knows except me and Peter. You know me as a strict, confident goddess who likes to tease people, but the truth is, I care about Peter deeply. He makes me nervous. In the sweetest way, I get shy around him. I want to be with him. I want to be with him all the time, and I'm still learning how to show my feelings properly. Elena and Anastasia hugged her with tears in their eyes. That's beautiful, Viera. We're happy you care about Peter so much. Elena continued. I care about Thomas, our boss. From the moment I first saw him, I was too shy to show my feelings, but I decided to be brave. I still get nervous around him. He means a lot to me. Anastasia added quietly. I've been alone for a long time. I don't have anyone. I often feel lonely. I'm glad we're a group now. Vera nodded. One more thing, girls. I share my parts of my vampire world with Peter. I've never done that before. It's a deep kind of trust. Maybe one day you'll understand it too. I'm glad you're my group. After work, we're going to the hot tube together. We'll have a glass of wine, just us three. The entire bar listened to the vampire's confession with their mouths open. They even forgot about the drinks they had ordered. Viera, Elena, and Anastasia were working behind the bar together, serving drinks and chatting about every silly topic that came to mind. They even performed small, coordinated routines for customers who rewarded them with generous tips. Suddenly, the wealthy and spoiled vampire Sophia Ashford entered the pub. She walked straight to the bar and began pleading with Viera. Viera, my goddess, please forgive me for that date with Peter. I want to offer my loyalty to your group. My vampires are sitting over there. They heard everything. I'm sorry for listening in, but I didn't have the courage to approach you until I heard you had a group of friends. I want to be part of it. Please, I feel very lonely. Apart from my boyfriend and my parents, I have no one. I begging you. Vera knelt in front of Sophia and spoke gently. Sophia, forgive me. You had to show me respect because of your boyfriend, and I feel guilty about that. I want you to be my friend, and I hope my girls don't mind. Elena and Anastasia replied, we're happy to welcome your generosity, Sophia, but we're not sure about welcoming you into the group. Tell us a personal truth as a sign of acceptance. Sophia blushed deeply and confessed, girls, I knelt before Vera because I care deeply about Palko, Peter's brother. He means a lot to me, and I get shy around him. For my family, it was a very important arrangement. Vera, thank you for Palko. As a sign of respect, I want to be your friend and join your group. I have a private hot tube at my family estate. We can relax there together. I'll open the oldest wine we have. Vera smiled. Perfect. After work, we'll meet in the hot tube, girls. Elena and Anastasia hugged Sophia and gave her friendly kisses on the cheek as a sign of acceptance. Behind the bar, the three vampire women continued serving drinks, now with Sophia officially welcomed into their friendship group. Peter and Vera were listening to the two English podcasts together. Vera, comfortably leaning against Peter, rested her head on his shoulder. Curious about Peter's new friendship group, she asked, how it's going with your team? And yes, I heard everything. I'm glad you're happy with me, Peter. Now we can finally relax together and listen to an English podcast. Peter replied, after work, the whole group went out for dinner. Afterwards, we practiced speaking English together. Thomas understood everything, which means we're finally able to say something properly. And you, my little cat? Vera smiled brightly. I made my own group of friends too. We drank wine together in the hot tube at Sophie's family estate. I definitely bringing my group into the Dark Organization podcast. I don't want to boss you around, but you should start your own podcast, Pete. But you should start your own podcast, Peter. Peter answered, Viera, I've been running Peter's English podcast for 2 years. You didn't know about it until now. As punishment, you follow me, write a positive comment, and give me a sweet kiss. Viera blushed deeply and gave Peter a gentle, affectionate kiss on the cheek. To be continued. Okay, people. That's it for today. What do you think about it? I think that I don't need to ramble for five to the next 5 minutes. But okay, at the end of the story, I hope that you like it because this is the start of season 4 of my novel that it's about real love between Vera and Peter and other dating uh, dating group, not groups. I mean dating couples, yes, of course, and it's about and it's about real romantic relationship between Vera and Peter. Yes, Peter, you said it before. Yes, I know. I mean, it's about real friendship between Vera and her besties, and Peter and his besties. Because I was thinking about it, Vera and Peter don't have any friends. Vera always shouts at Peter. I wanted to create something more realistic and better, and I hope that I did it. But okay, I don't want to ramble about this right now because this is not Peter Sunday 1 hour ramble episode. But wait, people, for tomorrow because tomorrow is it's I want to podcast again. I want to stream and record my Peter Sunday 1 hour ramble episode in the usual time at 6 p.m. Well, we'll see, but I want to do this. Okay, people, I think that's it for today. I'm going to read you the slogan. Oh, I'm Bob's your uncle. Learn English, be successful, change your life, open other doors, create your own podcast, write your own novel. You don't need to be talented because learning English is for everyone. Okay, people. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And I want to tell you, bye bye.